Diamond Radio, located at Khongzom in Thoubal district of Manipur, has become the most watched, listened and liked community radio station, which has the highest number of subscribers on YouTube among all community radio channels in India. This came to light during an exclusive interview of program executive of Radio Diamond, James Hagruzam, with the Mami TV news team. James Hagruzam told the Mami TV news that the Diamond Radio channel was officially launched on January 4, 2017. Within a short span of 3 years, the radio channel had been able to command the highest number of subscribers on YouTube. At this very moment, the radio channel has more than 2,75,000 subscribers on YouTube and more than 1,43,578 followers on Facebook. This is the only radio channel which has the highest number of followers on Facebook too. Nearly 4 to 5 lakh people keep listening to this radio channel daily. Radio Diamond started in a small way, James said humbly. He narrated this radio channel first started with just a small transmitter that cost rupees 500 in Khongzom areas, with some news that could be collected from the nearby areas and some entertainment programs. However, as the radio channel was not being run under proper rules, it stopped transmission in 2014. Fortunately, he came across former Minister Moirangthem Hemanta in 2016, and with his help, license of a community radio station was acquired from the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting in 2016. Thus, the channel was formally launched on January 4 of 2017, James recalled. He further said after broadcasting the programs only on radio, they started progressing to broadcasting through mobile applications from June 29 of 2018. Then they tried to broadcast the programs through YouTube platform. Finally, on July 29 of 2019, all programs of Radio Diamond were started streaming live on YouTube. James Hagruzam added.
So now I know I just Manipur miyam da na miyam dai hujai jari je say number gi nam to music miyam do I na hawai James Hagruzam karim late tabado I say number gi all music miyam si loi lei re everything in this every see miyam si la no hona bada achoba struggle amani but adu hojik ai say am sa ga miyam puthoga ai bu say am sak ai say tabiu habido ai adom khalaktre ai sei matang sin obi ai adu hojik kharga tawjadana Manipur miyam gi thamoi da ai gi mafam ma cham to su bibiram ni na kaidorge bu masigi medium da inkhalak ni ba kaya ai gu ma phangho do kya do so lakpiu aduga honaminasi khara tominasi aduga yamna sen thungi yam khanbirunu madu mayam haitare ai dongna dum nate yam chadana horok pasing aduga nungai ephan horok pasing puna makhai tare karim to khena balaitna adu masi to bi ya na dum haijege aduga platform sidi masi yam chawba platform di radio aduga social media adu YouTube Facebook sinani mayam se dum haijege aduga lepak miyam na ni haitare mokhoi na ni adu mayam di isor ni hainari ni ko aina haijabagi di ka hena nate aina tawjaba khara du pen birakanda miyam se na I bodu mafam pibirap pane na haijege to man